everyone, welcome back to ML Science Studio. Today we are going to talk about data cleaning in pandas. What is a data cleaning? Data cleaning is a crucial step in the data analysis process, and pandas makes it easy for us to handle and clean the data. Example of data cleaning, such as handle missing value, wrong format, wrong data, and duplicate value present in the dataset. Okay, there are few different type of handle missing value in the dataset. First is re- replacing with arbitrary value, and third is replacing with the previous forward field, and third is replaced with a backward field, and fourth is replaced with mean, mode, and maximum minimum value in the data. Okay, now let's start. The first step is import the library. Import pandas as pd and load your dataset df pd dot read csv. My data file name is data dot csv, and now in this data I have a four columns and 169 rows. Now check the information about the data and check the summary about the data. df.describe function is used to check the summary of data: mean, standard deviation, minimum value, and 25% and 50 and maximum value in present in the data. Now first step is the working with missing value, replace with arbitrary value. How to identify missing value in the dataset? Pandas provide the isNull method to identify the missing value in the dataset. df dot isNull dot sum. Now duration columns have a 7 missing value, and pulse columns has a 22, and max pulse is 8, and calorie 9. Okay, now check the which row have a missing value. Now df dot durations. Okay, check the missing value in the dataset. Okay, isNull dot sum. Okay, sorry, error. Now in this data, row 10, row 14, and row 17 in this data set have a missing value in duration columns. First is replace with arbitrary value. In duration column, replace with arbitrary value. Now durations dot pandas provide the fillNav function is used to fill the value in the dataset. Now fill the value in the duration column is 60 in place equal to true. If you want in place equal to true means if you want to change the original data frame. Okay, yes, and check the missing value in the dataset. df dot isNull dot sum. Now duration columns are replaced with missing value with arbitrary value. You can replace with any number. Okay, let's example 100 and replace with missing value. Okay, now second is a replace with previous value, means forward fill. Now go to theory part. Replace with previous value. You can impute the value with the previous value by using forward fill. It is a most used in time series data. Previous, based on historical data. Time series is data is a overall in the time based on the historical data. Now, example in this missing value, previous value. Previous value means none value in present in the column number 2, and temperatures row is a 1. Okay, now replace with previous value 32, replace with none value. Okay, in this example replace with none value previous value. Now or same as backward full, replace with, now let's check, replace with 28, replace with the next value. Okay, now check the fill the replace with forward fill and backward fill. A syntax is a df dot fill na method equal to backward fill, means f fill. Okay, now df dot fill na method equal to f fill, means forward fill, previous value, replace with previous value. Now df dot pulse dot fill na method equal to f fill, replace with previous value f fill. Okay, in place equal to true, and run this and check df dot is null dot sum. Now you can remove it. Okay, fill the method using forward fill and previous value. Now replace with max pulse using backward fill na method equal to b fill, means backward fill, in place equal to true. Now check the df dot is null method dot sum. Okay, and then this. Okay, fill using backward fill means next value. Okay, now fill with maximum value, minimum value, and mean value and mode value. Mode means most frequent value in the data set. Now fill with category column with mean value. Mean, create a variable mean value equal to df dot calrange. Okay, and calculate the mean. In pandas provide the calculate the mean dot mean function. Okay, now df dot calculate the and fill the mean value in place equal to true. Okay, in place true. Now check the df dot is null dot sum. Yes, all in this data set no have any missing value. Now same as replace fill with missing value mode. Okay, mod. First is a median, and again check same fill with mod value. Okay, mod method equal to no mod value. How to check mod value and check the mod value, fill using mod value. Now same as maximum value and minimum value. Now copy this above and fill with maximum value and minimum value. Okay, maximum pandas provide maximum function to find the maximum value in the data set. Okay, now same as a minimum value. Okay, minimum fill with minimum value. Okay, now let's check ds dot null dot sum. Okay, there are many methods to fill the missing value. Okay, these are a basic type of example. Fill using pandas method. Okay, first is replace with arbitrary value and replace with previous value and replace with next value and replace using mean, median, mode and maximum and minimum value in the data set. Now next video is on the working with duplicate value in the data set. Okay, thank you for watching this video.